Beat it up like.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm JaylahMarshae. I know it's been a while. I know that I keep saying I'm going to be back and I take like 2 weeks off and then I come back again or whatever. But this time I'm going to be really consistent, and especially since December is coming up, I'm going to try to upload every day except for the weekend. I'm going to try to upload Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And I'm just going to like have Saturday and Sunday to just like brainstorm some videos. I have a lot of video ideas that I want to do that are coming up in the next week. So yeah, so today's video I'm going to be showing you my winter makeup look. It's very like, the lips are dark. I did a little natural on the eye. I did some bomb like mascara that I'm going to be showing you guys. And yeah, I'm sorry that I keep leaving and keep coming back and keep leaving, but I promise I will be consistent and I will keep coming back. And I'm gonna have so many videos flowing out. And yeah, and then for the month of December, let me know what type of videos you guys would like for me to do and film and upload for you guys. And let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys soon. Let's get started with the video. Okay, so first I am going to go in with my Maybelline. I am first gonna go in with my Fenty foundation. Yes, I know I'm late, but I just got the Fenty foundation on Black Friday, and I was so excited to get it. This is actually my first time using it. I used it on Saturday, and when I say this foundation is bomb, okay. And I'm in the color 310, and I am so excited. One thing about this foundation, you have to really put it on like very quick because it does, it dries like so fast. I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape concealer. This is the best concealer. I feel like I say that every time I do this makeup video, but Tarte knew what they were doing when they made this concealer. I'm going to go in with powder. This is my MAC powder. With my Pro Fusion highlighter. And I think I'm just gonna go in with a natural color for the eye, since I'm doing a dark color for my lip. Mascara, I'm gonna go with the mini Benefit Bad Girl mascara. Bad Girl Bang mascara, and this mascara is really good. And I literally got the full for like $28 from Sephora. It comes with the mini mascara. Mini mascaras and come with a one full-size mascara. It comes with the Lancome primer. It comes with the Marc Jacobs. It comes with the Bad Gal. Mascara, and it comes with a Better Than Sex, and it also comes with a full-size Clinique mascara, which I'm gonna try that this weekend. I'm gonna try that like tomorrow probably, but this mascara I've been obsessed with, and yeah. I love that little, I love when Sephora does the gift like sets because it's literally bomb. Ugh, I love this mascara. Like, you can totally see the difference, like, oh my god. I'm gonna go on with my BH Cosmetic highlighter, so I can look like a glazed donut. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Mama, and the ColourPop Mama can name Mamacita. I'm going to go in with the mini Urban Decay setting spray. Okay, so this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just a dark / like wintry makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, join the family, subscribe, and yeah, Let me know what type of videos you guys would like for me to do next, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Beat it up like